Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I'd like to give you an introduction to what a fluid is, as it is very different entirely from how solids work. A fluid is physically defined as any substance that cannot resist perpendicular or shearing stresses, and also generally fills up to take the shape of whatever container it is put in. Liquids also tend to create a free surface, which is a surface that is not part of the container, whereas gases tend to fill up the entire volume of the container, as liquids generally have a very well-defined volume, while gases do not. However, even though liquids and gases are different in this respect, i.e., that gases fill the whole container while liquids have an independent surface, they are both classified as fluids because they both flow, i.e., they both move when a shear stress is applied to them. Now that I've given a basic definition of what a fluid actually is, I can explain how pressure and density are correlated in the next tutorial video, as well as the depth of the fluid. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.